Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kimmy, and today we are getting started on the shed build. So yesterday we did the floor and the concrete that goes under, all that good stuff. So today I got up at 5 o'clock this morning, and as soon as it started looking like that outside, like the sun's not even showing yet, it's super foggy today too, I went out there with the drill and I put all the screws in the wood where it needs to go. So now I'm like whispering because Aaron's asleep, and I wanted to surprise him by doing the first, I think, yeah, I'll see how far I can get by myself without using the ladder. I may be able to get pretty far, so let's just do that. But the first step is doing the 4 corners. And if you're new here, this is a patio well metal shed. It's the black and kind of tan brownish looking one, and it's a 10 by 12 this time. Last time we got an 8 by 12. I can go ahead and show y'all what the shed will look like though. But this is the first step we're going to do. So I got to go get those pieces, the 4 pieces, and then the screws and the washers, put that in, and then I can do the next 4 pieces, which just go next to it. And the thing after that is like when we did the floor where we had to build the frame. So I just want to surprise them. I want to be like, look what all this done by the time you woke up. I think it's gonna take a lot of pressure off of him if I go ahead and get some things done. When he wakes up, he's probably gonna be super motivated because some of it's already started. Anyway, it always feels good because, like, if there's a room in the house that's dirty or something, and then I go to bed and I wake up and he cleaned it, you know how it feels really good. It's like, oh wow, I don't have to do that now. He's good about starting laundry, which is really helpful. So anyways, and helping with dishes. I just did all of these, so it's his turn to do those. And the reason why, this is so random, why am I sharing this? The reason why we take turns doing chores is because we both live here and we're both kind of helping with the videos, and so we both kind of just do everything. Yeah. So anyways, there we go. Let's go ahead. Not trying to give y'all my whole life. What is that called? All my life details or something? I don't know. There's a phrase. Can y'all tell it's early? I can't even talk. By the way, well, I don't know if I'm going to do it or not. I may put all of these videos in a playlist by themselves, but right now they're in the backyard makeover playlist. So if y'all want to see the last video of the floor, I'll just go ahead and put that at the end of this video. By the way, also, I said that twice, you can do a concrete base. So we did a wood base. I think it may be cheaper, but you can also do a concrete base. You don't have to do a wood base if you don't want to. Some fluff for you. Okay, so I've got the 4 sides on there, and it was a struggle bus. I'll tell you now, the paper makes it look like this wider part goes on the longer side when they actually go on the front. So I had a fun time with that one right there, but once I figured that out, everything else made sense. So, oh, and there was 2 holes that are lower than the hole of the panel, so the screw has to go in at an angle. So I kind of just left those 2 out because they were getting really hard to put in, and maybe Aaron can just drill hole, you know, to where it's more in alignment. But I had already left a review based off of that issue, and it's still like pending. So I put in my review. We'll update later. Hopefully all goes well, because sometimes it can be human error, but Maybe I should just wait to leave a review until we're done building it. But you know, when you get frustrated, you're like, I gotta vent to somebody. So you talk about it. I still gave it a 4-star though. Y'all, it's a lot. Anyway, so now I'm gonna see what the next step is. I think there's 4 panels that go on the sides, and then we start with the metal frame on top, and then we can do all the other panels. So I'll see what I can get done. Alright, y'all, I'm inside my house. The next 4 pieces are up, and the next thing to do is the top frame, which looks similar to the bottom frame. I think after that we can put up all the other panels, which will be exciting because that should go by pretty quickly. This went by, well, basically I was outside for a little over 4 hours. But that includes before I started filming, I had to put all those screws in, so yeah.
You told me there'd be better days, and nothing that can pull us under. You wanna take the pain away, but know that I was born as a fighter. We fade, but we're better than that. We're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Yeah, seems like we're back on stop but go. I go red and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. Yeah, I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two for good. There are other ways and other reasons, but only one that cuts to pieces. So why we tryna hide from trust when we could just leave? We fade, but we're better than that. Yeah, we're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Yeah, seems like we're back on stop but go. I go red and you go left before it turns to red.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna start putting the panels on now.
Hardest thing to do, did it all for you. Hardest thing to do, did it all for you. Hardest thing to do, did it all for you. Yeah, seems like we're back on stop but go. I go red and you go left before it turns to red. It's true.
We're falling out, we have reached disaster. Don't know where we're gonna be after. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling, falling down, we faded. But I know that we can save it. Cause we're like alpha and omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are alpha and omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and omega. Alpha and omega. Like the waves pull you down underwater. We're fun until we falling down, we faded. But I know that we could save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega. I know we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, yeah, we can work it out. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, yeah, we can work it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love not afraid to love. I'm gonna go where my heart is. From now on, I'm being honest. I'm gonna show that I got this love. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid.
Alright, this is what we've got done so far, and this is where we're going to stop for today. So we've got all the panels screwed in on this side. You screw them in at the bottom, and then you screw them in at the top with those bars right there. So He did the other side too. I got overheated. So I'll show you what that looks like. So all that's left is the roof and the doors and then the back, which he may start today, but I'm going to go ahead and end this video here.